Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. Today, we begin our JavaScript series. This video will introduce JavaScript, its benefits, and why we learn it. JavaScript is a versatile and widely used programming language that is primarily used for creating interactive and dynamic web content. It's an essential part of web development, enabling developers to add interactivity, manipulate the document object model, DOM, and control the behavior of web pages in real time. Next, we will discuss the benefits of JavaScript. The first benefit of JavaScript is its versatility. That means, JavaScript can be used for both front-end and back-end web development. It's a key component of popular front-end frameworks like React and Angular, and it's also used on the server side with technologies like Node.js. Second is interactivity. JavaScript allows you to create interactive web applications by responding to user actions such as clicks, input, and form submissions. This makes websites more engaging and user-friendly. Third is cross-browser compatibility. It's mean, JavaScript is supported by all major web browsers, making it a reliable choice for web development. It helps ensure that your web applications work consistently across different browsers. 4 is community and resources. It's mean, JavaScript has a massive and active community of developers. This means there are extensive libraries, frameworks, and resources available, making it easier to find solutions to common problems and learn from others. 5 is scalability. It's mean, JavaScript can be used for building both small and large-scale applications. With the right architecture and tools, you can create complex web applications that scale to meet your needs. Next, we will discuss why you learn JavaScript. There are several compelling reasons to learn JavaScript. First is web development. JavaScript is essential for front-end web development. If you want to create interactive websites and web applications, learning JavaScript is a must. 2 is career opportunities. JavaScript developers are in high demand, and learning this language opens up a wide range of career opportunities in web development, app development, and even server-side development with Node.js. Third is ecosystem. JavaScript has a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, which simplify and accelerate web development. Fourth is compatibility. Knowing JavaScript ensures that your web applications work across different browsers and devices, providing a better user experience. 5 is problem solving. Learning JavaScript improves your problem-solving skills and your ability to work with data and manipulate the DOM, which are valuable skills for any developer. 6 is innovation. JavaScript is continually evolving, and it's at the forefront of web technology. Learning it allows you to stay updated with the latest trends and innovations in web development. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Patreon for more tips and tricks. Link in description.